Xin chào, Hola Hi Hi. It's me back here with a new video of upcycling the old pants into the new overalls. I really hope you like this video, and please don't forget to drop like, leave the comments, and spread subscribe for more video coming soon. I am so appreciated for that. If you want to add the side pockets for these overalls, please refer to my previous videos. And now let's get started. Those are my old pants before upcycling. I measure the length of overalls around 65 centimeters. I measure the full crotch from front to the back, 110 centimeters. This part is so important that it has to be wide enough to make sure when I put on it can pat the hip. Start cutting the seam. To wire up the legs, it depends on how much you want. I choose 28. But I think after that I feel it's a little bit tight for me. So I think 30 is perfect. In one leg, I turn the right side of the fabric out, then insert inside another leg, and to make sure the right side facing, then sew them. And next time I will show you another way to sew this back and don't need to cut out the fabrics like this. Then sew in the same for other side. I only have 51 centimeters left to make the strap, but better is 60. Ta-da! This is how my overall turned out. I really hope you like it, and please don't forget to drop like, leave the comments, and press subscribe for more video coming soon. Thank you so much. Good luck and see you next week.